What up, though? Hey, y'all, and I'm back with another try-on haul with No Sleep Boutique. I am back, y'all, for good. I think this is my first video. I don't know, y'all, but I'm doing so many videos, so much stuff. I don't know, but anyway, I'm back, y'all, for good. Like, 2024 came in with a bang. A lot went on like the beginning of 2024. Like, it did not waste no time. You know, I had to do some spiritual healing. You know, I've been working out. I had some loss, all that stuff. It just so much, 2024, started rough, but I know that it's going to end well. I just know it's going to end well, Yeah, but anyway, so for No Sleep Boutique, this is the first piece that's going to be released called No Sleep Zone. My No Sleep gang helped me name this one, so I just felt like it was right to release this one first, Yeah, so yeah. It has 7 buttons on there. All of our new rompers, onesies, have 7 buttons, more space, easier to get into. If you have a bigger chest, that's even better, shouldn't have no issues. And I'm wearing a size medium. You do not have to worry about sizes. It's plenty of room. I did lose a little weight, 10 pounds. Well, it's like, as this video, it's 11 pounds, but it don't matter. But yeah, we got a little bit more. We got room, a lot of room. I did have them make them slightly bigger, but I'm wearing a medium. Look, room. And these go up to a size 3XL. I am so happy to be back. Ain't y'all excited to have me back? I decided to record in my, office. I don't know, I might go back to my hallway because I get a little bit more light in there and the sun is going in and out. So anyway, I might be back and forth. But anyway, so it has no butt flap on here because I want y'all to be able to go outside with it on. You don't have to be inside with this on. You can go outside. That's what I be wanting for all my stuff. I want it to be not just sleepwear. I want y'all to go outside in this too. Like, no, this is too cute to stay at home in it. Go outside for people can see you. Boo. And I also forgot to mention that I am wearing the burgundy thigh-high socks with the No Sleep Zone onesie. We do have thigh-high socks now available on the site. So yeah, that you can pair up with the rompers. So yeah. If I had the camera a long way, then y'all can see, but I don't. I'm back and forth. But anyway, I came back to say that or whatever. Yeah, and show off the onesie some more, and also try to make this video a little bit longer because ain't no telling how long this video is going to be. I try to make my videos 20 minutes long or whatever. Anyway, I'm just rambling. But anyway, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more hauls. I'm gonna try to do like an outfit of the day, video to see how y'all like that, because I'm not gonna be able to do try-ons like every week. I'm gonna have to spread it out some, so I'm gonna have to do maybe a little different videos. So, but anyway, so I gotta get ready to take some pictures in this. Some more people gotta take some pictures in this. Everything. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next look. All right, I'm back with the next look. And my No Sleep Gang, they love this one. They gave me good feedback on this one. I got a whole bunch of likes on this one. And yeah. So this one is called Lucky, of course. And I decided to go ahead and release this one for Pride Month because it got the little rainbow on there or whatever. This one has no butt flap because I know y'all gonna be outside for Pride Month anyway. I know y'all gonna be outside. But anyway, I am wearing a size small because we don't have a whole lot in medium, and I didn't want to take away from the medium and then it'll be even less medium. So I decided to pull a small, so which I knew I would have been able to fit because I got them to make the onesies bigger. But anyway, still room, and I like how the way it fits too. Still some room in it for a small. Lots of room. And yeah, so I decided to come back out with the cereal onesies one more time, because y'all really seem to like Lucky Charm, Lucky, you know, cereal, Fruity Pebbles and Cocoa Pebbles. I got those too, but I'll probably release those a little bit later because I gotta, you know, release things based on the holiday, Pride Month and 4th of July and stuff like that. So yeah, so, and I felt like Lucky, this one would do good for Pride Month because of the rainbow in it. Yep. And I also have another one which y'all can see behind me. That's a Pride one too. Anyway, this is for Pride Month as well. This is actually I'm modeling this one next. I'm gonna model this one next, so yeah. But it'll probably be the next day. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, y'all, so that's it on this one. That's all I gotta say about this one. I love the way it fits. I really do love the way this fits. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much. Now I'm gonna hold y'all up. All right, y'all, so I am back, and it is obviously the next day. So I already told y'all I am not about to do 4 or 5 different looks in one day and record it too. But anyway, so this is called a Pride thing. So I decided to make this for the month of Pride, which is June. It's a limited edition, and yeah, only for the month of Pride. And I paired it up with our green, pink, and baby blue thigh-high socks. I guess, well, that's what I decided to pair it up with. It might not go with it because it got that black in it, but yeah. And I just decided to put on my hat, you know, to give it like a little bit more of a look. But don't mind my hat though. I like it, it's cute. But anyway, I love the colors, very vibrant. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention in my Instagram video, the sleeves are mid length. I really wanted it to be long sleeve, but I was like, well, let me do mid length so it can give that short sleeve kind of long sleeve vibe. But yeah, so you can raise it above the elbow or you can put it over the elbow. But yeah, I am in a size medium. Yep, and that's it. Yeah, that's it for this look, y'all. We gotta go to the next look, which I don't know what it's gonna be the next look because we got so many new releases. I don't know which one I'm gonna do next. Yeah, y'all. So I think I might come back with another one, but I gotta add some more because I gotta hold y'all. Because this video is not long enough yet. So I gotta hold y'all. I really do. So y'all like this. Sorry y'all, I'm back. So which area y'all rather see me in, the hallway or in my office? Because the hallway gives me a little bit more light, but even though it's raining all week and the sun is just back and forth, like it really be holding me up, because without the sun this light be super low. But this area right here is where I get the best light. Like, it's lit right here. But it's just plain. It's plain. Look at these white walls and everything. But anyway, sorry about that, y'all. What I was gonna say. Yeah, I will probably do the next look another day. Y'all not gonna know anyway because it's gonna be attached to this video. So it doesn't matter which day I do it anyway. But anyway, so this is a Pride thing. It's available in size small through 3XL. Limited edition, only for the month of June, which is Pride Month. And I'm wearing a medium, super duper stretchy. Like, it got so much room in the stomach area and the leg area too. And the sleeves too. So if you're pregnant, you don't even have to go a size up. You can wear your normal size. Yep, and that's all, y'all. And these colors, they look so vibrant. I just took some photos. The color just stands out. Like, I did good on this one. I'm not gonna even give the manufacturer credit. I did good. I did good. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in the next look. All right, bye-bye. Hey y'all, so I am back, and yes, it is another day. So I realized I did not conclude this video because I wasn't sure if the last outfit was going to be the last one. But anyway, I'm already in the middle of shooting the next try-on haul. So anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more hauls like this. And we're on the road to 300 subscribers. We should be after these couple of videos. But anyway, thank y'all. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.